Forget everything you thought about photo editing with AI. This prompt recipe will change how you create perfect Nano Banana edits, and I will reveal why in this video. Editing photos can be frustrating when faces don't stay consistent or you want precise changes, but what if there was a simple formula to tell Nano Banana exactly what to do? Imagine mastering photo edits that never mess up a person's face, whether it's just a one person, two people, or even blending styles from different photos. I am about to share 3 powerful prompt recipes that do exactly that with Nano Banana. You will learn how to precisely tell the AI what to change, what to keep, and how to make your edits look professional every time. Stay with me till the end because missing even one of these steps could ruin your edit, and I will show you how to avoid all these common pitfalls. So let's start with the recipe for single subject image editing. This recipe is for when you want to edit a single image of a person while keeping their face consistent. So this is the recipe. So start with edit the uploaded photo of, and first whatever photo you have uploaded, describe the subject. So let's take this photo as an example. So if you have uploaded a photo like this, describe like a man with a beard wearing suit. Now you have described the subject. Now specify the desired action. So what does this mean? This means what you want AI to do, what changes you want to make in the given photo. For example, I want these suit colors to be changed to blue. So I will type change this suit color to blue. Then describe the final look. Example, a professional headshot with a blurred office background. Currently the background is looking blur. We cannot identify what the background is. So I want this background to be changed in an office background. So I will type a professional headshot with a blurred office background. Or you can remove blurred if you don't want the blurred office background. For this prompt, I have written 3 tips for you. So make sure to remember these tips whenever you are writing the prompts. So tip number 1 is be descriptive. So you have to use clear, concise description of the subject's key features. So in this picture, we have described image with a beard and also added the description like he is wearing a suit. You can also be more precise. If he is wearing a glasses, you can also add wearing a glasses. This helps the AI to identify the persons consistently. And the tip number 2 is use action oriented language. For example, start your instruction with action verbs like if you want to change the suit color, so type change the suit color to blue. If you want to add tie, just type add tie, and whatever color you want to give, you can also type as well. If you want him to wear glasses, you can also type add glasses. And the tip number 3 is describe the final outcome. So specify the desired aesthetic of the final image, including lighting, background, and overall style. So whatever lighting, if you want a studio lighting, you can type studio lighting. Like I said, I want to change the background to an office background. So I have specified a professional headshot with a blurred office background. So these things you have to keep in mind whenever writing a prompt for a single subject image. Now let's watch this in action. First, I will open the website gemini.google.com. You can also use this in phone. Click on tools, create images. Now we are going to add the image. So click on plus icon, click on upload files. Now we are going to upload this image. Now copy this prompt recipe and paste it here. And you can do whatever changes you want. And if you want this prompt recipe, I have added PDF of this prompt recipe in my Discord channel and Telegram channel as well. If you want, you can also find other different prompts like editing retro vintage style photos, and for girls a retro vintage photo shoot in a sari. So you can get all those prompts from my Telegram and Discord channel. And if you are liking this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Moving on further, we will start with edit the uploaded photo, and we are going to describe the subject, a man with a beard. So he is not wearing the glasses, so I am going to remove the glasses word from here. Now specify the action. So I will add wearing a suit. So I have described the subject, edit the uploaded photo of a man with beard wearing a suit. Now I want this suit colors to change to blue. Specify the desired action. So now we are going to specify the desired action. What things you want to edit in the character. So change his suit color to a dark blue color. Now I am going to remove all these things. Change his suit color to a dark green blue color, and I will add a professional tie. Okay, now I am going to change the background. So the final image should be in an office background. Now in this way you can write a simple prompt. Now let's hit generate. As you can see, it kept exact exactly the face as it is. It didn't change anything. He changed the suit color to a dark blue color. It also added the tie. Image looks really fantastic. In this way you can edit images. Let's give it a different prompt. So I want to test if my prompt recipe is really worth it or not. So let's upload the same image. Now I am going to change everything. Edit the upload photo of a man with beard wearing suit. Replace the suit with t-shirt wearing black glasses riding a bike in a post apocalyptic world. So I'm going to hit generate. Let's test this out because it is changing everything. Total environment has been changed in this prompt. Oh my god. You can see the face, it kept consistent. It has post apocalyptic world. He is riding the bicycle. He is also in a black t-shirt. So in this way you can use my prompt recipe to generate any image with consistent face and consistent body. So if you are liking this video till now, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And now let's start with the prompt recipe of two subject image editing. So recipe for two subject image editing. This recipe works for editing an image with two people or blending two different photos. You have to type combine the uploaded photos of. Now describe the subject 1 and describe the subject 2. You have to follow the same rule as you followed in the prompt recipe 1. Now place them. So how you want them to be? Like I have given the example standing side by side. If you want them to kiss, you can also generate image of kissing each other. You can also give them like hugging each other gently, and you have to describe the environment. For example, beautiful garden during a sunny day. Finally, add that ensure that their facial expression and details remain consistent with the original photo. So I have also given tip here as well for this prompt. First tip is identify both subjects clearly. You have to differentiate between the two subjects with unique easily identifiable features. So you have to tell details of each subject whenever you are writing the prompt so the AI understands each subject. And the tip number 2 is define their placement. So tell the AI exactly how the subject should be positioned relatively to each other. So tip number 3 is emphasize consistency. So explicitly state that the facial features and expression should be consistent with the source photo. This is the most crucial part for maintaining identity. So this is very important. You have to keep these 3 tips in mind every time whenever you are writing this prompt. So let's start generating the two subject image editing. So let's start. So again, add files, upload files. Let's take the image of Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal. Paste the prompt. Since I am not using two different images, I am using one image and the two subjects are already in the image. So I am not using combine the uploaded photos. I am using edit the uploaded photos of a woman with a black hair wearing pink dress and a man with a beard wearing a black dress. Place them sitting side by side in a beautiful garden during a sunny day. Ensure that their facial expression and details remain consistent with the original photos. So let's hit submit and wait for the image to generate. Oh my god, as you can see, it has kept the facial expression consistent and it has generated exactly the image as I wanted. In this way you can edit two subject photos. Now we have seen how we can edit the two subject in one photo. Now we are going to upload two different photos and combine both the photos. So for combining both the photos, you have to use this exact prompt like combine the uploaded photo and describe the subject 1, subject 2, and then what do you want them to do and the environment. Now let's start generating the photos. So as you can see, I have already uploaded the image of Anna de Armas and mine. You can give this prompt, combine the uploaded photos of a man in a white jacket, beard, and a woman with long hair wearing silver dress. Place them sitting side by side in a very cozy manner in a beautiful garden. Ensure their facial expression and details remain consistent with the original photo. So you can give this prompt. As you can see, it has generated a beautiful image of mine with her, and in this way you can generate a cozy photo with any celebrity and upload it on Instagram or TikTok or any social media. If you want flawless edits in Nano Banana, use this prompt recipe. Be detailed, use action verbs, specify the outcome, and always protect the faces consistency. Try it out and watch your edits improve instantly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more AI powered creative tips. And you can also watch the upcoming video on the screen, which you see right on the screen.